Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to make section vertical alignment in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our section and we are using two column layout. Now on top you see edit section. So click on it and then on left side you see layout and then in layout you see vertical alignment. So currently default drop down select and then you see middle. Now select. Now you see column alignment change to middle, both column alignment. Now you see vertical align, again drop down select bottom. Now you see top, so you can select according to your requirement. So I select middle. So this layout is good. If you have uneven boxes text, then you can use vertical align drop down setting, so you can select middle. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.